Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Underdog Fantasy account. First of all, contact customer support. Open the Underdog Fantasy app or website and go to their help or support section. Alternatively, you can email their support team at support@underdogfantasy.com. In the request, explain that you would like to delete your account and ask them to guide you through the process. Now verify your identity. They may ask you to verify your identity before they proceed with the deletion. Once they process your request, you will receive a confirmation email that your account has been deleted. If you need further help, let me know. Thanks for watching.